Tani ao hau bakwegerera obwene bwa MWANYABANTO bagikeire ebacheti ya trillion 4.53 eyasometwo rituko rigoro no mwaziri otenete ekegancha kene gia serikali John Badi nkwane iyo nigegocha rituko rimo rioka maiga ya budget yo gosomwa gochiasa abakenya samagacho ebunge nene ababwatani abo bono nigo bono batebire ebirengererio byabo by'abakenya nonye byasangeretiwe tibibwateranetiwe hase omoroberio oyo bonsi nigo bono bagosereire gochia kogenda ase ekegambero koenekia abakenya nkonyora bare obwene bwabo murigito dinamura agotomanya mange
ekera abakenya bange bagendrete kwemurunganiria obututukano obubulime ye budgeti eyo yasometwe rituko rigoro ebyombe ao bire bikwegerera obwene bwa MWANYABANTO na barabwo bagikeire ekini ye budget eyo ase batebire terigerereti abakenya na amagani abo okwana asegikaro kibyombe bikwegerera obwene bwa MWANYABANTO na biria abye kanisa ase kerisia kia All Saints Cathedral omucho Nairobi abarai bebyombe bi bemurunganire buna ebirengerio byabo ebyo babegeta ase budget eyo tibibekirime gusekoirwa koba ebyengencho nebunge.
I want to say with a lot of disappointment that the budget outcome as was read fell short of factoring in the voices of the people, because the public participation that was purportedly undertaken did not meet the threshold of what public participation ought to be. And we have asked this severally, that we did not hear a proper analysis of the issues that came from the public, thematically analyzed, and we did not hear both Treasury and Parliament telling us that these are the voices of Kenyans. This is what they wanted.
Batebire ebacheti iyo nechikobekense ya Kenya imeye chisira chinyinge na gokong'ia obugima bw'abakenya. Ebyombebi nigo batebire mbachikogenda ase bigambero kwamererie budget ye ase bagoteba nigere mamincha yebirengererie ebyo barwete ebyo tuwe na ababunge ase ogotegerera eriogi ry'abakenya.
Located to the office of the president and the deputy, because we've just been seeing the president flying and there's nothing he's bringing back. So why should we allocate a lot of money to the office of the president if we are not seeing any returns in terms of building our economy? And as young people, we are also concerned that the parliament have let us down, especially since 2024. Why are we allocating all those billions to parliament, yet they are not representing us the way that is required? So we request that the money allocated to parliament be slashed even to half, because the people are not feeling they are parliamentarians. They are not defending us when we are in crisis, and they have only been there pushing their personal agenda.
I expected this budget to properly fund IPOA. I expected this budget to properly fund the court system. I expected this budget to properly fund the youth economy that is happening. And I expected to the common citizen and into the issues and problems.
We are waiting for the Budget and Appropriations Committee report, the Finance and Planning Committee report, and definitely will be moving to court to contest when they do not listen to us.
The CS yesterday mentioned that the budget is for the government. It is to help the government, get to address a few issues that they deem a priority to them. And that's why we are saying this is not our budget. We need to be listened to, since, as my predecessors have said, a lot of memos and submissions that we have made this year have not been taken into consideration.
Basabira basayi gukora obutuki eryo kumanya kibesa chense nga ichikorwa na nechisira inakechigwakanwa eryo gutoria ense ya Kenya kurwa sabarai batali nobwasioko.
What we want our young people to do in this country is to be patriotic enough and to research and understand exactly the resources which finances the budget. Why can't we go ahead and do a thorough research so that we can depend our resource and depend our human resource, we will be able to develop this country.
Kuriboteria ETV Yensoko Erieta Nedina Mora.